Ready to give your Twitter profile a fresh new look on your PC? Let's walk through the steps to change your profile photo. To start, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up your profile settings for editing. Next, find and click on the button in the top right corner labeled Edit Profile. Once you're in the profile editing section, look for the option to change profile photo and click on it. Now, select the Upload Photo option to browse for a new image to use as your profile picture. Choose the image that best represents you and click on it to select. After choosing the image, tap the Upload button to add it to your profile. To ensure that your new profile photo is saved, click on Save Changes. By following these steps, you can easily personalize your Twitter profile on your PC. Update your profile photo today to showcase your individuality and make a statement to your followers. With a new profile picture, you can refresh your online presence and leave a lasting impression.